Hello and welcome back, and in this video I'm going to give you a clear idea on how much you can earn by doing very simple Photoshop works such as photo retouching on Fiverr as a freelancer. So I'm going to make a search here, photo retouching, and as you can see, photo restoration, photo resize, photo retouching. So these are the tasks. Photo resizing, very easy task, but there are many works available. So I'm going to straightly to this point, photo retouching. And after that I'm going to show you the resource from where you get premium courses and the process to get them for free. All right, so here as you can see, results for photo retouching in all categories on Fiverr, and we are seeing 6,588 gigs available here. So people are making lots of money. And if you just notice here, this result, I will retouch photo edit image, and he has over 1,000 reviews with 5-star ratings on Fiverr. Very simple task, but he have been making lots of money. So I'm going to open his gig, and if you just notice this one, I will Adobe Photoshop Edit Photo Retouching. So the English is not so good, but they are making thousands of dollars. Okay, as you can see here, 5 stars, 1,000 plus reviews. So I'm going to open this one as well. So if you just go a little bit down, then you'll find lots of other Fiverr sellers who are making lots of money. As you can see, I will retouch photo edit image, 1,000 plus reviews, 300 reviews, 345 reviews, and you can find many more. Okay, so let's talk about how much they are making. So here when I am visiting the first person's profile here, I will retouch photo edit image, and he has actually 3,283 reviews. So from my personal experience on Fiverr, only 60 to 70% clients actually provide such feedback to their freelancer, and rest of days, let's say 40 or 30% people doesn't even care about giving a feedback. So he actually worked on lots of many more than this number, okay, work completed on Fiverr. So let's assume 3,283 works he has done, and his basic package is starting from $5. He will edit or retouch one single image, as you can see, and he's charging $5, just easy money. All right, and here all you need is love. So as you can see, one image again, but he is charging $15. And this one, let's say one image again, and he will give high resolution source file and commercial use, and let's say here high resolution source file, but in this package he is charging $40. So let's assume this guy is actually getting orders for this middle one, which is an average pricing, and we are going to multiply this number with this amount. All right, so I'm going to open my calculator here, and let's type out this one. 3283 equals to $15. So $49,245 by doing very simple photo retouching works. And if you just want to see some work examples, let me show you them as well, which has some reviews. So this one, okay, as you can see, client provided him this feedback, awesome work, although it's a older work. But if you just go a little bit down, then you will find out his most recent reviews. As you can see, 1 day ago, thank you, looks great. 4 days ago, then 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. So it's gone, it just goes on like this. Okay, so here are some other works. You can just watch these works by clicking on this next arrow buttons. Okay, so you'll find the work example, so you'll be able to get motivated from these images, like what people are actually doing for their clients and as their real projects. So it will help you a lot to get started and get motivated to create an account on Fiverr. I will attach the link into the video description for you to create a profile on Fiverr for free. All right, so just take the chance. And then now if we just go to this profile, wow, just take a look, 12,070 reviews and 23 orders in QA. He's currently working on 23 orders. Just imagine if he is even charging this amount, $15. And let's just calculate this one in a real quick view. So 12,070 equals to 15, and actually he have completed at least 15 to 18,000 orders on Fiverr. All right, so let's just here 180,000 US dollars, 180,000 US dollars, 81,000 actually, only by doing simple photo retouching works. And again, if you want to get the examples, just take a look here. These are the images he worked on. These are the images. So he might be colorized, he might change any background, etc., etc. And as you can see, same client but two different projects. So if you can do better work for any client, you might going to get lots of work from one single client. Just imagine. All right, so this was the opportunity guys on Fiverr. Again, the link into the video description for you. And let me show you, if you are completely new and if you don't know how to do photo retouching, or if you have no idea about Photoshop, or if you want to scale up your skill level, let me show you how you can get advanced tutorials or courses on Skillshare. And this is a paid platform, but I'm actually going to show you how you can get it for free. All right, and here I'm going to type out like Photoshop. I'm signed in with my premium account here, and as you can see, photo editing, photo retouching, photography comparison, and just go on, list goes on. As you can see, Adobe Photoshop. So I'm going to directly clicking here on this photo retouching, as we are talking about photo retouching here. Okay, so let's find out the courses. This one is only 1 hour long, 54 minutes long. Maybe she is going to give you some basic idea, but let's find out some big courses. As you can see here, this course is Adobe Photoshop CC Essential Training Course, 8 hours and 36 minutes. And this course, Adobe Photoshop CC Advanced Training Course, 13 hours and 43 minutes. So if you just watch these courses, then you are going to be completely clear about Photoshop, right? So that you'll be able to do any types of works on Photoshop, not only photo retouching, you can do other advanced work. So for example, I'm going to open this course and going to show you the review here. I guess also at this current moment 286 students are watching this course, and in total this course has 6,548 students. And if you just go to this in review section, then just take a look. This is the review. People's expectation was exceeded by 83%, and people has found this video helpful 17%. Just imagine the exceeded version is here on the upper section. So this is a great course, and if you want to view this course or watch these tutorials, you just have to sign up with my link, which I am going to attach into the video description, so that you'll be able to access this course completely free, or whatever course you want to access. All right, so let's say what I will get by sharing the link into the video description. As you can see, give your friends 2 free months of Skillshare Premium and earn 3 months when they sign up. So as I am going to invite you with my link by clicking here, okay, I will attach this link into the video description, so that what I will actually get few free months of premium membership on Skillshare, which will help me to learn or develop my skill levels on different categories. So that's it guys. So you are getting 2 months and I'm getting 1 month in return. So this is a win-win situation. When I'm helping you, I'm actually getting help from you. That's it guys. So I hope that this video was informative and helpful for you, and if you have found this video helpful, please give this video a like and share this video to help others as well to learn them new skills. And I wish you very best and happy freelancing. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe to get more helpful videos like this one. And here's a quick additional part guys. So as Skillshare is a paid platform, you have to provide your payment details like a credit card or maybe any MasterCard or PayPal. And although you are not being charged for first 2 months, you are actually going to get it completely free. You don't have to pay them anything. But if you are liking their platform, then I would suggest you to keep your membership and pay them maybe $8 or 8 or 9 US dollars per month. But if you don't want, then what you have to do after completing your first 2 months of free access to their website, you just have to go to this section and then click on this account settings. And after that, you just have to go to this payment section, and you'll find the information. As you can see, your next yearly charge of this much, as I have created this account with yearly package. All right, so if I don't want to pay them anything on 25 2020, then what I will do, I will just cancel this membership on 24th 2020, and I'll just click on this cancel membership, and it will be all done. I don't have to pay them anything, so that you can follow this step to cancel your membership as well if you don't want to pay them anything. All right guys, so this was the quick guide, and I hope this was helpful to you as well. Thank you very much again.